Last night, one of our construction sites on the North Shore got hit again. Copper pipes, electrical cables, water fittings, basically anything that could be taken was taken. And honestly, this isn't even rare in New Zealand. The way construction works here is very different. Most projects are small-scale, residential builds. After plumbing and wiring are installed, there is often a gap before the next trade comes in, and during that time, the site is basically unattended. No security guards, no one watching overnight, just trust. And that creates opportunities for the wrong people. They cut the copper, take the cables, sell it off, maybe just for a few drinks. You might think, call the police? Sure, but realistically, nothing much happens. Install cameras? It helps a bit, but not enough. In most cases, it is the insurance company that ends up paying. The money loss? Not the biggest problem. The real issue is time. Once materials are stolen, everything has to be reordered. Workers need to be rescheduled, and suddenly, the entire timeline is pushed back. So next time you see a delayed project, it is not always because construction is slow. Sometimes, it is because the site has already been built once, and then taken apart overnight.